Well, guys, people on social media feel like they found out the reason why Jayda Cheaves is out here charging $60 for a lip kit and $70 for a lash kit. So you guys know Jayda Cheaves does have her own cosmetic line, which is called Jayda Cheaves Beauty. So she dropped a lip kit first, which is $60. She faced a lot of backlash for that because a lot of people feel like, hey, we can get these supplies, beauty supplies from the beauty supply store, or we can go to Ulta or Fenty and they're not charging this much. And she also dropped a lash kit and she faced a lot of backlash on that as well because of the price point. So it did come out that Jayda Cheaves is getting sued by FedEx. Now, so as you guys can see, FedEx is suing Wait Merch, which is Jayda Waita's brand, and they are suing her for outstanding debt for fees for shipping services provided, by FedEx. So basically, she hasn't paid $67,000 worth of shipping fees. A lot of people also feel like this is why she didn't pay Tia Kemp, which is Rick Ross' baby mama, to get on the podcast, because she was going through this. Now, Jayda did respond, and here's what she had to say. So someone asked Jayda and said, I'm not a hater, but I don't know what JW is, but if you guys know, let me know down in the comment section, okay? Are you really getting sued by FedEx? And Jayda responded and said, I never got served. My UPS man did, so I wasn't aware of anything until social media the other day. But my lawyers are handling it. Won't let no lawsuit give me wrinkles. That's what I have a lawyers on retainer for, child. So someone else asked Jayda, what they trying to sue for? Yes, I'm being nosy. She said, go look, it's public records, LMAO, just FYI. Make sure y'all close y'all accounts with these companies when you stop using them or stuff like that will happen. Someone else said, as many packages that went missing or not delivered, you need to sue them. And Jayda responded and said, my lawyer is handling though. So I want to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this. Do you guys feel like Jayda knew about this outstanding balance, or do you feel like she didn't care, or do you guys feel like she didn't know? I feel like this is something that you would get in the mail or an email like, hey, FedEx is emailing you about your shipping fees because you do use FedEx to ship off your packages. I don't feel like this is something that she just didn't know about. I feel like she got emails, or maybe she gets so many emails she didn't pay attention to it, but that's her business. I'm sure she has an assistant that pays attention to that or something. But $67,000 in fees, she said her lawyer is going to handle it. And like I said, some people feel like, hey, that's why she didn't have Tia on the show, and that's why she's charging so much for her cosmetic products. But like I said, I want to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.